Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove numbers from text in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that contains unwanted numeric characters mixed into text strings and you need to clean it up quickly. First, you'll want to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace, as this will give you access to all your spreadsheets and files. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your recent documents and sheets. From the dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet you want to edit. This will open your file and allow you to start working with your data. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet or tab within your workbook that contains the text you need to clean up. Now, let's say you have sample data where text and numbers are mixed together. This is a common scenario when importing data from external sources or when dealing with product codes, addresses, or any other information that combines letters and digits. To fix this, you'll need to use a powerful formula called regex replace, which stands for regular expression replace. Click on any empty cell where you want your clean text to appear. In that cell, type =sign regex replace and an opening parenthesis. This function allows you to find and replace patterns within text, making it perfect for our task of removing numbers. Next, click on the cell that contains your mixed text data. This tells the formula which cell it should work on. After selecting that cell, add a comma to separate the parameters. Now, here comes the important part. Type a quotation mark, followed by \d, and close with another quotation mark. The \d is a regular expression pattern that specifically identifies all numeric digits from 0 to 9. After that pattern, add another comma. This separates the search pattern from what you want to replace it with. Since we want to remove the numbers entirely, you'll simply type 2 quotation marks with nothing between them, which represents an empty string. Finally, close the entire function with a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Once you've applied the formula to your first cell, you'll see the text without any numbers. Now, to apply this same formula to all your other rows, click on the cell containing your formula. You'll notice a small blue circle or square appears at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and hold that blue circle, then drag it down to the bottom of your data range. This copies the formula to all the cells below, automatically adjusting the cell references as it goes. And that's it. You've successfully removed all numbers from your text data in Google Sheets using the regex replace function. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.